Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, dear students? This is your maths period. First recite Dua. Rabbi zidni ilma. Oh my Lord, increase my knowledge. Beta, open your book, page number 110. We are on page number 110, beta, and today we will start with the equivalent fractions. Write today's date and day over here. What happens when the numerator and the denominator of a fraction are multiplied by the same number, not 0? Let's take this fraction. This is 2 upon 3. See, 2 upon 3. And what they have done, they have multiplied the numerator 2 with table 2 and 3 again with 2. So what happened? 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. Now the fractions become like this. So here you can see the shaded part remains the same. See, this is the shaded part, this is the shaded part. So it is same. So we can say that 2 upon 3 is equal to 4 upon 6. Therefore, they are equivalent fractions. What happens if the numerator and denominator are multiplied by the same number again? For example, we have 1 upon 2. We multiplied the numerator and the denominator with 2. So what we get? 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So again we have 2 upon 4. The shaded portion remains the same. Now again multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. See, the shaded portion remains the same. Now 4 upon 8 multiplied by 2 and 2 again. So 4 2s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. So here we get these equivalent fractions: 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4, 4 upon 8 and 8 upon 16. Okay beta, so you understand that what are equivalent fraction? When you multiply denominator and numerator with the same number, the fraction which you get is the equivalent fraction of the previous number. And if you keep on multiplying with the same number, you will get continuously the equivalent fractions: 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4, 4 upon 8, 8 upon 16. Now the same result is shown in the fraction table. This is a fraction table you can see in your books. This is whole 1. This one is divided into 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. This 1 upon 2 is divided into 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 4. This 1 upon 4 is divided into 1 upon 8 and 1 upon 8. And this 1 upon 8 is divided into 1 upon 16 and 1 upon 16. Come to the next page. Now they are saying these are equivalent fractions: 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4, 4 upon 8, 8 upon 16. See, 1 upon 2, then 2 upon 4, then 4 upon 8, and then 8 upon 16. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so here it's like this. Now 1 upon 4 is equal to 2 upon 8. Why? Because we multiplied both numerator and denominator with 2. 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8. And 1 upon 8 is equal to 2 upon 16. Why? Because we multiplied it with 2. 1 2s are 2 and 8 2s are 16. Now let's see the example. Find the equivalent fractions of 2 upon 7. Now 2 upon 7, and you want to get the equivalent fraction. What you will do? You will multiply both numerator and denominator with the same number. So first they have multiplied it with 2. 2 2s are 4 and 7 2s are 14. Now 2 upon 7 and 4 upon 14 are equivalent. Now at this time they have multiplied 2 and 7 with 3. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6 and 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. Again 2 upon 7 and 6 upon 21 are equivalent. Now at this time they have multiplied 2 and 7 with 4. 2 4s are 8, 7 4s are 28. Therefore 2 upon 7, 4 upon 14, 6 upon 21 and 8 upon 28 are equivalent fractions. When the numerator and denominator are multiplied by the same number except 0, we get an equivalent fraction. Alright, now the second type is proper and improper fractions. A proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator is less than the denominator. Examples: 3 upon 5. So 3 is less than 5. 4 upon 9. Here 4 is less than 9. 4 upon 5. 4 is less than 5. 11 upon 13. 11 is less than 13. So when the numerator is less than the denominator, The fraction is known as proper fraction. An improper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay, just opposite as the above case. Example 5 upon 3. Now which number is greater? 5. This is the numerator. When numerator is greater than the denominator, the fraction is known as improper fraction. Similarly, 7 upon 4, 13 upon 10, 6 upon 5. These are known as improper fraction. Turn the page. Next type is like and unlike fractions. Look at these pairs of fractions. What is similar about them? 4 upon 8 and 3 upon 8. What is same? 8 is same. That is the denominator. Now see the next pair. 4 upon 10 and 1 upon 10. Again here 10 is same. The denominator. 1 upon 6 and 3 upon 6. 6 is same. That is the denominator. The denominator in each pair of fraction is the same. Fractions with the same denominator are called like fractions. Okay, these are called the like fractions. These are the like fractions. These are the like fractions. Now look at these pairs of fractions. 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3. Here anything similar? The denominator is different and the numerator is similar. Now 2 upon 5 and 2 upon 7. In each pair the numerators are the same and the denominators are different. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Okay, fractions with the same denominator are like fractions and fractions with different denominators are unlike fractions. Now the next is comparing fractions. Here you can see this is a table. This is 1 the whole. It is divided into 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. Then it is divided into 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3. Then 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4. Similarly 1 upon 5, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 7, 1 upon 8, 1 upon 9 and 1 upon 10. This whole is divided into different parts. Come to next page. Look at the following fractions in the table given on page 112. When we compare them, we see that. Now see 4 upon 8 and 3 upon 8. Come here. 4 upon 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 upon 8 and 3 upon 8. Now, which one is greater? 4 upon 8 or 3 upon 8? Yes, 4 upon 8 is greater. So here they have written 4 upon 8 is greater than 3 upon 8. Now see the other 4 upon 10 and 1 upon 10. Compare 4 upon 10 and 1 upon 10. 4 upon 10 and 1 upon 10. Now which one is greater? 4 upon 10 is greater than 1 upon 10, right? Now 1 upon 6 and 3 upon 6. This is 1 upon 6 and this is 1, 2, 3 upon 6. Now which one is greater? Again 3 upon 6 is greater and 1 upon 6 is lesser. So they have written 1 upon 6 is lesser than 3 upon 6. What we conclude in like fractions when the denominators are same, the greater the numerator, the greater is the value of the fraction. The greater the numerator, the greater is the value of fraction. The greater the numerator, the greater is the value of fraction. The greater the numerator, the greater is the value of fraction. Look at the table again to compare the following fractions. Now see 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3. This is 1 upon 2 and this is 1 upon 3. Which one is greater? 1 upon 2 is greater. So 1 upon 2 is greater than 1 upon 3. And 3 upon 4 and 3 upon 5. See, this is 3 upon 4 and this is 3 upon 5. Which one is greater? 3 upon 4 is greater. So they have written 3 upon 4 is greater than 3 upon 5. So what we conclude in unlike fractions. Unlike fractions means with the different denominators, with the same numerator, but their numerators are same. The smaller the denominator, the greater is the value of the fraction. Here, the smaller the denominator, the greater is the value of fraction. The smaller the denominator, the greater is the value of the fraction. Now, let us practice. Question number 1. Fill in the boxes with lesser than or greater than. Now, A 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 3. What we have studied that 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 3. Which one is greater? Here, these are the like fractions, and in like fractions, the greater the value of numerator, the greater is the value of fraction. So what we will write like this: 1 upon 3 is lesser than 2 upon 3. Now see part number B, 4 upon 5 and 1 upon 5. Again these are the like fractions, so we will see the value of numerator. Now which one is the bigger? 4 is bigger, so 4 upon 5 is greater than 1 upon 5. Complete this exercise. Come to question number 2. Fill in the boxes by writing greater than or smaller than. 1 upon 5 and 1 upon 10. Here these are the unlike fractions. So in unlike fractions, the smaller the value of denominator, the greater is the value of fraction. So 1 upon 5 is greater than 1 upon 10. Now see part number E, 1 upon 9 and 1 upon 10. Here the numerator are same but denominators are different. So 9 is smaller but this fraction will be bigger. So 1 upon 9 is greater than 1 upon 10. Now complete this question. Question number 3, color the boxes which are correct. Here some statements are given and you have to color only the boxes which are correct. For example, let's see this box. 1 upon 7 is smaller than 6 upon 7. Is this right? Because these are the like fractions, so here the greater the numerator value, greater is the value of fraction, so we will color this. Now you have to complete this page. Take care of yourself. Jazakallahu khairan kaseera. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.